In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete text message on iPhone. So what you want to do is you want to open up your messages and find that contact you want to delete the message from. Now just go with your finger from right to the left until you see this trash icon. Click on the trash icon and click on delete. Now you might be thinking, yeah, now it's deleted, great, but it's actually not. What you need to do is click on the top left on this edit thing and then click on show recently deleted, and you will see all of your recently deleted messages here. Click on that message again and delete, and then click on delete all messages, and be aware that these messages will be deleted from all of your devices and this action cannot be undone. Click on delete, click on done on the top right, and now that message is permanently deleted. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.